The biggest difference between authentic soft pretzels and normal bread is the shiny brown crust. The crust is a result of a secret ingredient known as sodium hydroxide, and if you try to make pretzels without it, you just end up with pretzel-shaped rolls. Be sure to follow the safety precautions as sodium hydroxide is caustic and can burn you. Today, we will be using it to make pretzel dinner rolls, a treat that the whole family will love. But you can use the same technique to make any shaped pretzel you want.